Hello, I'm Miles like the measurement. I'm going to take you on a philosophical bike ride. The first thing that I'd like to say is shout out to my pants. They carried my tripod, my phone, and, the lavalier mic container a really far way today. And also shout out to this spot. I'll see if I can find the clip, but if I can't, I just hurt my finger, fractured it, jumping off the stair set because my friend saw that I could ollie three stairs at every other location and was like, dude, you could totally ollie this three stair. And I was like, I don't know, man. I'm gonna hit that crack. Long story short, hit the freaking crack. Let's go check out another spot.
I am waiting for a bus at the end of the night, under street lamp, bent face flamed by the light. I'm going away, I'm going away, I'm going away. And the sun gonna shine on a brand new day.
I have been given the unique opportunity to figure out how productive I'd like to be in a day. And I keep hearing this online. Who determines their life value with productivity? Slaves. Now that I have heard the general consensus from the web, I need to determine what personally suits me. So I've divided a schedule in my mind, and that's delaying me because I need to make a physical schedule. It has eluded me for too long now. Too often I am thinking about what I should be getting done instead of truly chilling. As an example, multitasking. I'll be babysitting and then I see some sort of video on my Instagram and I'm like, I should probably be making content too. But in the reality, I gotta rest, I'm studying, I'm doing all these things. But I like the spot to talk. Let me know if you want to see some more of this in the comments. Let's build some story. I am wearing my Rolex today. This is the first watch I was ever given, and it's waterproof. It glows in the dark. Let's see. Hope that's visible. And it was given to me by my dad. So I have some sentimental value with that. I've recently been going to the gym frequently and I want to learn more about variable resistance training so I can have a more effective body. Apparently, according to a TED Talk I watched, if you push from here, you're about 7 times stronger than here. Pretty crazy, right? Why would we use the same weight if we're stronger at different points? So the idea of variable resistance training is having a weight that is changing with the extension of your muscles. So an elastic band, if I were to wrap it around my arms and push, the weight is increasing as I extend. And you can do this for every part of your body, and apparently it's crazy. I'm having trouble with analysis paralysis, and I'm trying to make more content, so I need to learn how to get around that.
And the sun gonna shine
This felt too beautiful to not include. The fluff on the sides mixed with everything here. You're in the middle of the city. To feel less like a slave, I decided to check out something cool and social like a car show. I was able to see a car with pop-up headlights, a super cool truck with some spikes on the wheels, a nice white car, a nice blue car. I found this little silver vehicle that's pretty sweet, right-hand drive from Japan. Found another white car, a big glowing truck. Makes me feel very at home because of my Alberta origin. And then a blue Corvette that it was pretty delicious. This spot is particularly interesting to me because there used to be two massive yellow and blue slides that would go down this great big hill, and everyone used to have so much fun on it and get hurt a little bit. And now it's gone. So rest in peace, those slides. I'm locking my bike up now, but I'm thinking about how I need to register my bike with the police and how my bicycle doesn't have suspension and that the bike lock would be better because it could get cut easily. And it forces me to not be present in the moment. And I know that the majority of our suffering is also in our head. I thought to myself, what an interesting hallway. There must be something new here. And I was right. I've never played racquetball, but I found out that I'm bad at it. So I'm gonna try it again later. And this is my first attempt at racquetball. It was very odd for me because I've done pickleball, badminton, I like those sports, I'm okay at them. But this one is a whole different touch. Like, I'm not sure if you're supposed to hold it with two hands like tennis or what the deal is. But it was a very good workout. A lot of muscles that I haven't been using recently. This door is so ominous. On my way home, I found some people that were chilling with a skateboard, and they did, in fact, have a trick to show me. I believe that is a nollie front side 360. Even after long, stressful days, there's nothing like getting out on this bicycle and experiencing some nature. It's hard to be a depressed, sad person when you're in the sun. So, gotta get some more of that going on. All in all, I'm gonna make more content as soon as I'm ready and studied up for my exams, and I'm looking forward to great success.